A few minutes later.
Very nice, guys. I hope you are all well and taking care of yourself. I took a swing trade in British pound versus US dollar. This trade has been going on for the last 6 days and 15 hours. In this video I will tell you how the market changes its trend and where our sharp entry can be. You will learn a lot from watching the video till the end. Here we will first create a trend channel. For this I am using Trendline. The market has moved upwards, taking support on this trend line. We can also call these support points as high or low points. We will connect all these points properly with the trend line. Because further analysis will be based on this trend line, the market has respected this trend line very well. Connect the second trend line with the same angle at higher high points. This trend line is acting as a resistance. Whenever the market comes near this trend line, it always reverses downwards, which you can easily see in the chart. The market was following this trend channel for a long time. At this point the market has given a trend line breakout, which increases the chances of the market going down significantly. Our entry is made on the wick of this candle when the market moved up to retest the trendline breakout. We made a sharp entry here because the analysis showed that the market was going to move downwards from here. Now we will create a strong reversal level which will give you more selling signals. The market has created multiple support resistance points at this level, as the market has reversed repeatedly at the same level. All these points are important points. Here the market first took support and later broke it and created resistance points, due to which a support become resistance pattern has been created here, which is a strong selling pattern. Whenever the market creates such a pattern, the chances of the market going down are quite high. This pattern gives signals for selling trade. My stop loss was at this place. If this was a fake breakout, then the market would have followed the uptrend again. But the market followed a strong downtrend, due to which we got to see a very good move. Guys, I would like to tell you that if you want to make big profit with less money, then you can join the Vproptrader Propfirm. Vproptrader is a genuine prop firm. More than 1 lakh traders are associated with this prop firm because it gives max profit split and payout in minimum time. Here you will find all the challenge accounts of this platform in different sizes. You will get all the prices as per your challenge buying budget. Instant account in this prop firm starts from just $9.99, which is very less compared to other prop firm. Here as you increase your account size, your buying price will also increase. The one-step account of this prop firm also starts from $9.99, where you get an account size of $1,000. It is providing the Vproptrader prop firm at very low price. You will be happy to know that there is a giveaway going on at Vproptrader prop firm right now, according to which all you traders are getting a 2-step challenge account of $1,000 absolutely free. Go and join this prop firm now. Link is given in description box and comments section. There are other accounts here too which you can check. Here as you come down you will see many features of this prop firm. You can trade its challenges on any platform like MT5, MatchTrade, Forex 7, TradingView, CTrader. These are all best platforms. Here you will see the rewards of all the traders, where you can get information about their payouts from their videos. You can see the review of Vproptrader prop firm here. Its rating on Trustpilot is 4.8 out of 5, which is considered very good. Trustpilot always shows genuine reviews, so you can trust the Vproptrader. You can follow Vproptrader on all social platforms. Links to all are given here, which will make it very easy for you. You can use this platform via the web as well as by installing its app on your phone. Their app is available in iOS and Android. Now we come back to our video and close our trade because our goal has been achieved here. Guys, right now we are making a profit of more than $15,000. We had $3,854 in this account, which has now grown to $19,789. Guys, you can also generate good profits from swing trading. There is less risk in this, so you can manage the risk well. Always follow discipline in trading. If you have learned something from this video, then please like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.